How to log into your FedEx Payroll account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your FedEx Payroll account. So before we begin with this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So after you're on your web browser, what you'll need to do is search for FedEx Payroll login. After you search for that, here you'll find different options. What you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to this purple ID, this website right here. For the reason for that is for your FedEx Payroll, you will need to head over to your My Schedule on FedEx. So here you can see this website that says fedex.com My Schedule login. If you head over here, it will show you will need to log in with the OAuth 2.0 and its website is this purple id.okta.com. So there you can see. Now all you have to do is type in your username and then your password and then tap on sign in and you'll get logged in into your FedEx payroll account. And it's basically that simple guys, and that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.